Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be providing you with the most recent immigration updates for Canada for the year 2021. So don't go away, we'll be back after this break. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel so you may get more videos like this. Like this video so others may see more videos like this. And check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. I'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are inside Canada and those who are outside Canada to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated legal forms and processes that are part of the application. So in this video, I thought I'd give you an update on the most recent immigration news for persons who are wanting to get into Canada, whether you're coming as a visitor or if you're a Canadian citizen or permanent resident who is returning to Canada. And this is for the year 2021. So firstly, one of the most recent developments is that the government of Canada has determined that persons wanting to re-enter Canada or to enter Canada must now provide a negative COVID-19 test result, and that test must have been conducted in the last 72 hours prior to boarding. Now, this is obviously in an attempt to stem the flow of positive COVID-19 cases inside Canada and to restrict persons who currently have COVID-19 from entry into Canada. And importantly, this applies to Canadians and non-Canadians alike. So if you are outside Canada, you're wanting to enter Canada, you will not be allowed to board your flight unless you have a negative COVID-19 test result that was, and that test must have been completed at least 72 hours prior to boarding your flight. The airline will not allow you to enter if you do not have this negative COVID-19 test. So that's going to be very important. The other big news that I'd like to share is that persons who are currently inside Canada on postgraduate work permits and whose work permits have either expired or whose work permits are about to expire, those persons may be able to apply for a new postgraduate work permit that may be valid for a duration of up to 18 months, provided those persons are still inside Canada. And so persons who, and just to give you a little bit of context, when you study inside Canada, when you're issued a study permit and you've successfully completed your studies, you then become eligible to apply for what's called a postgraduate open work permit. And this is a work permit that allows you to work inside Canada with any employer anywhere in Canada for a set duration of time. However, once that work permit expires, you typically are not able to have it renewed. Okay? You're not typically able to renew it. However, given all the challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, the government has decided to allow persons who are currently inside Canada on a postgraduate work permit, or those who were here on a postgraduate work permit and are still here, but whose postgraduate work permit has expired, the government is allowing those persons to reapply for a new postgraduate work permit that's going to be valid for 18 months. However, your previous postgraduate work permit must have expired after January 30th, 2020. All right, so if your postgraduate work permit expired after January 30th, 2020, then you would be eligible. Similarly, if you're currently on a postgraduate work permit that has not yet expired but will be expiring soon, you too will be able to take advantage of this. And the implications, obviously, are going to be huge, because what it means is that you're going to be able to work inside Canada for another 18 months, and you'll be able to benefit from the experience, the Canadian experience that you would have gained, and you'd be able to leverage that Canadian experience when you're applying for permanent residency. So it's a significant development for persons who are on postgraduate work permits here, or whose postgraduate work permits have expired. So that's also another significant recent development. And of course, third thing to bear in mind is that, as we discussed in a previous video, the government of Canada has announced that it will be allowing some 1.3 million new immigrants into Canada over the next 3 years, starting in 2021. And so what that means is that there'll be an increase in the number of new immigrants coming into Canada, and that too is going to be significant. So I trust you found value from this, and as always, remember to subscribe to this channel so that you'll get more videos like this video, so that others will see it and will also get the information we're sharing. And visit us at go.gooselaw.com. Thanks again, and see you again next time.